Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class, and our chapter going on is chapter 2, that is fundamentals of partnership. And today we are going to study the drawings. So in the previous class I already taught you about the meaning of the drawings. Drawings mean withdrawal of the cash or material by the person, proprietor or partner for his or her personal use. This year we studied last year under sole proprietorship. But under partnership, drawings has some different meaning. Drawings here means drawings of the cash or material. Literal meaning will be the same, but here accounting treatment is totally different. So here what we are going to study, drawings is of two types, against profit and out of capital. So my dear student, always remember drawing is the basic feature of partnership. So drawing against profit means this is against the expected profit. This means if a partner knows that I will earn this much of the amount as a profit in this year, so that amount he or she can easily withdraw. So this is called drawings against profit, and it is going to be debited in partner's current account or fluctuating account, whatever it is. Out of capital means when you are significantly drawing the money. That thing is called drawings out of against capital. Drawing against capital is debited to his or her personal account. Clear? Now consider an example. If a partner is having a capital of 2 lakh and he has almost withdrawn 1 lakh rupees. So this is drawing out of capital. But in case here against profit, he has invested 2 lakh and withdrawn only 20,000. This means 10% is a normal rate of return. So withdrawal of the 20,000 will be treated as drawing against profit. Clear? Now the question arises, how to calculate the interest payable on the amount of drawings. So here we are having some formulas. Clear? See. So here what we are going to study is case 1. That is when fixed amount is withdrawn in the beginning of every month. Clear? So it's very easy when fixed amount is withdrawn by the partner in the beginning of every month. So calculation of interest on drawing is just like as you are charging simple interest. Clear? So see how we are going to doing charge or amount of the drawing. So drawings here equals to total drawings into percentage, whatever percentage you have, and into average period. और एवरेज पीरियड को हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? 6.5 upon 12. Now how we got this 6.5 upon 12? Always remember this figure is prefixed, means already calculated. You are not supposed to calculate. But question arises, how we reach that 6.5? So this we are going to study. How to calculate average period. So average period is calculated in this way. Clear? Now if a partner is withdrawing every month for a period of 12 months. Clear? So time left after first drawing. Time left after first drawing. Plus time left after last drawing divided by 2. This is the formula. Now we further understand it. For example, if you have withdrawn or doing first drawing on January 1, so time left after first drawing is almost 12 months. Clear? Now time left, your last drawing will be on December 1. So again you left with the 30 days or 1 month. Don't get confused by the 31 or 28. Average we take it as 30 only. So total time you are having is 13 months divided by 2. What you will get is 6.5. So here in this way we have taken 6.5 as average. Clear? So this is the formula. In this way you are going to calculate the amount of interest on drawing under case 1. Now this is just for beginning of every month. Now the question arises in the case 2, middle of every month. In place of beginning, what we are going to do is the middle of every month. So again average period will be different. So average period we are going to take over here is 6 months under case 2. Clear? So see our formula of average profit, time left after first drawing. So देखिए आप when you will do the first drawing in the middle of every month. The first drawing you will do is on January 15. So time left with you is 11.5 month, and your last drawing will be on December 15. So time left with you after last drawing is half month. So this is almost, the total will be 12 divided by 2, then this comes to 6 months. Clear? In this way you are going to calculate the case 2. Now the case 3, when fixed amount is withdrawn at the end of every month. See, formula will remain same, only the average period will change. In third case, at the end of every month. So see how we calculate the average period. Now see, your first drawing will be on January 31st. So your first drawing will be on January 31st. So time left after first drawing is 11 months. And last drawing you will do is on December 31st. So year over 0. 11 divided by 2, that comes to 5.51. So here we will take 5.5 upon 12. Clear? In this way we are going to calculate interest on drawing. So today we are studying just first 3 cases of calculation of interest on drawing. Next case we will study in another class. Thank you.